Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a channel. First, understand that deleting a channel is a permanent action, so proceed with caution. To start, navigate to your account settings. You'll need to be logged in with the account that owns the channel. Make sure you have the administrative permissions required to make such a significant change. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Once in your account settings, look for the Advanced Settings or Channel Settings section. This is typically found under a Broader Settings or Account menu. Within this area, you should see an option labeled Delete Channel or Remove Content. Clicking this will initiate the deletion sequence. For security purposes, you will likely be asked to re-enter your password to confirm your identity before proceeding further. After re-entering your password, you will be presented with a confirmation screen. Carefully read all the warnings, as they detail the irreversible loss of all your content, including videos, comments, and analytics data. You will then need to select the option to permanently delete your channel. This is a critical two-step confirmation to ensure you fully understand the implications of this action before finalizing the deletion. Once confirmed, the channel deletion process will begin. While the channel may disappear from public view almost immediately, it can take a few minutes or even up to a few hours for all associated data to be completely removed from the system. Remember, some interactions, like comments you've made on other channels, might remain. Always consider downloading your data beforehand if you wish to retain any content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.